Today we're back in Chicago at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals, and this unrestored, all-original 1969 Roadrunner just caught my eye. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. We post automotive content Mondays and Fridays. Hey cruisers, I'm Kendra Sommer, and I thought you would enjoy this fun throwback. In the 1960s, Plymouth paid Warner Brothers $50,000 to use the Roadrunner's name and character likeness. That's it.
One place to catch Roadrunner at your Plymouth dealer.
That would be about $450,000 in today's money. Good luck getting Warner Brothers to do that kind of licensing deal ever. During the 69 model year, Roadrunner added the convertible option.
And this year there's a convertible, a hardtop.
Now that is cool. Also in 69, the Roadrunner was named Car of the Year by Motor Trend magazine. And what happened to car commercials? These classics. Shh, cruise. Sorry guys, my little schnauzer's he's decided to play while I'm recording this, but what happened to car commercials? Can we talk about that? They need to take a note from the 60s and 70s here.
Another bad year for Wile E. Coyote.
Now let's check out John Manship's all-original, unrestored 69 Roadrunner.
Well, yeah, there's a sense of pride because there aren't many unrestored survivor cars around with the original factory paint. Yeah, you know, I was the guy responsible for that after the first 2 years, so yeah, there's pride in ownership. Well, it started out, my neighbor bought it brand new in 1969. I didn't like his taste the first time I saw the car because it didn't look appealing to me. But the second day it came home with Kragers and white lettered polyglass, and I fell in love with the car. Under hood, it's a stock 383, 335 horse Roadrunner engine, and it's an automatic with power steering. Well, I love the car.
With a high output 383 V8, 4-speed with Hurst shifter, heavy duty brakes, suspension, and more, all standard. Is it any wonder Motor Trend magazine bestowed it with their mighty Car of the Year award?
Now, domestic productions for the 3 different body types came in just over 81,000. That's not including deliveries to Canada and other countries. With those, that's an additional 3,000.
Catch it at your Plymouth dealer.
The darker colors, there were 3 copper colors in the 69 Roadrunner, this being the lightest. And then there were 2 darker shades, and those were more popular colors. That makes it different because there weren't a lot of cars in this particular color.
It's a survivor car, it's a limited amount that were made.
Right.
I mean, that's a lot of pressure to have to maintain this.
No, it's something I enjoy. You know, I've always enjoyed cars. As Dave said, you know, my father was the guy behind me working on cars, caring for cars, and it's in my blood, you might say.
Do you have any, like, weird rules with this car? Like you know how sometimes car guys...
Yes, not letting my children drive my car.
So he wouldn't let me drive his car, so I had to buy my own.
Selfish dad, right?
Yeah.
Right.
But you did a great job. Thank you so much for taking so much time with us.
It's not a problem.
It's awesome.
It's enjoyable.
Yes.
That one's mine.
Oh,
I had to buy it.
And my battery is about to die, but I want to say, guys, thank you so much for watching. We post Mondays and Fridays, really cool automotive content. If that's your thing, make sure to subscribe to our channel. I have been bad recently about posting lately. My company's been all over on location filming recently. I will see you on the next one, cruisers. Later. Boo-doo-ba-doo.